Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about spark plugs and how they can save you money. Because here's the deal guys, you can find spark plugs for your car online really cheap. Because when you take your car for maintenance and you let the oil, the spark plugs, the filters and all you let it do, they will charge at least 15% on parts alone. That does not even include labor. So how can you make your maintenance cheaper? By doing some of the easy stuff yourself. Obviously you cannot do the oil change yourself at the street because that's not good, but you can do easy stuff like changing a filter. It's just 1-2 screws, you put it out, you put it in, ready. Same goes with the spark plugs. Now we ordered new ones today. These are the laser platinum premium spark plugs from NGK, the NGK-R, because that was recommended for this car. What did we pay for this bushes, the piece? I mean 6-7 euros. So increase that with 15% a piece, and that is what the garage will, the body shop, the workshop will charge. And then it's not even in there, it's only for the parts. So now let's go and see how we can change the spark plugs. So this is the engine block. I already researched where the bushes are, the spark plugs in English, where they are. First things first, you need to find them, okay? So what we did is took the cover off. There was only one screw and you can just click it off. Yeah, we take that aside, and now this is only for this car, for the Polo. Then this one was screwed in here with 1-2 impact screws, and you can just put it aside. It's made for that. In here you have this thing, which was in there and linked to this wire. So you make it loose and just pull it out. You can just pull it out, okay? But again, this is for newer Volkswagen, Audis, for that kind of types of cars. You pull that one out. Then you take your spark plug remover, pull it in, and just screw them out. Yeah, we do that with a ratchet, of course. Basically, it looks like this. So you get the idea, right? So it's not that hard. You pull them out. Now we have the old one, which was on Bosch, a Bosch spark plug double platinum, which is cool. You can see the cylinder is not leaking because it is dry, and it's not dirty because it's coffee color, coffee brown. You want something like this, okay? You don't want it wet, you don't want it entirely black, because then something is obviously wrong with your car. What we will do now is just insert the new one, screw it in, get it all back together, and you're done. This is 10 minutes of work for 4 spark plugs, tops, and you're done. However, again, the parts cost money, the labor costs money, so you will save a lot of that. Of course, you need to order some spark plugs, and you can do that on the license plate or the make and model of your car. It's not that hard, just look the internet. I only recommend not do that from China, but other than that, your local parts store will have them too. But look on the internet for cheaper prices. There is always something cheaper, okay? So let's get it back together. So guys, I maybe forgot to mention, every ratchet set has one of these. They are especially designed to pull out the spark plugs. They have only one size with rubber inside, so you can just click them in. See? And they will stay fit, so you can get them out of the cylinder. There we go. And now all we have to do is just put them back in. Make sure righty tighty lefty loosey. So the way I want to work, and I love to work, is just take the ratchet off, screw it in a little bit, and then finish it with the ratchet. So let's do that. And just screw it in. It's not so rocket science. So yeah. Okay, and now we finish it with the ratchet. Remember, tight but not too tight is the best way to go. Okay, done. Now this one goes back in. You just put it on there, push it in, push it real hard in, and just click this one back in a little bit. Yep. Click. All done. And that is how all four need to be changed. So leave a blue thumbs up if you like this, and I will make a lot of more videos for cheaper repairs and that sort of stuff. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.